Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with another 100 hits challenge video. I am going to be trying to draw Derek Shepherd. Isn't he handsome? From Grey's Anatomy. I really love this picture of him because it shows really nicely the swirls in his hair and the beard, and it's kind of a side profile looking down. So this, I'm trying a new paper. It's called Canson Mi Teintes. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Pastel paper in white. I got this a while ago and I was disappointed because it came bent on the edge. But I don't think it will be that noticeable. And I'm going to take it out of this book anyway. But I like this book and I ordered this book because it comes with these little pages in between. So I bought this to use with soft pastels and with oil pastels. So I might just leave everything in this book and not put it in my portfolio. I'm not quite sure. But I'm really, really happy with how this sketch of Derek Shepherd came out. And I don't know if you could see it. Guys, so I am done with Derek Shepherd. Let me just wipe my hands. So I'm super happy with how Derek Shepherd turned out. Let me just blow these little pieces off onto here. So this is how he looks. I hope you like him. I think he looks great. I did him like stylized, and I'm really happy with how he looks. He's got wearing his doctor jacket over top of his shirt. I used Pan Pastels. I used mostly the colors that I already put away here. Different shades of brown and white. And I even mixed some of the shades together to get some lighter colors of the burnt sienna. So I have two different lighter shades of the burnt sienna that I used for the face. So I just used the Pan Pastels. And oh, I bought these from Amazon. They're mascara applicators from Amazon. 150 of these for about $10.99. These are the ones that came with it that are called soft tools. They're almost identical, like they're just different in shape. These are so expensive to replace. These work just as well. I could tell no difference at all. And these also came with these soft tools, which are very, very similar to the makeup sponges that you buy. Just a different shape. So I haven't even tried this yet. I did this all using this. And I also used my set of Pit Pastel pencils. Faber-Castell Pit Pastel pencils. I don't know if my camera's going to zoom in on there. So I really like those. And this is on the Canson Mi Teintes paper. Well, I showed you at the beginning, so I don't need to show you again. I like this paper a lot better than the other paper I was using. For my other ones, I was using Canson XL Dry Mixed Media Sand Grain. I have like 3 pads of this, so I thought I would use it. It's good for oil pastels, which is why I bought them. But it says it's good for dry mixed media. And it's natural colored sandpaper, but it doesn't really work great for soft pastels. I mean, it's okay if you just do 1 or 2 layers. But more than that, no. And to be fair, I only did a couple layers here because I didn't want to push the paper too much. And I wanted this to look more stylized and more like a sketch. So I'm happy with how it looks. I think this is my best one. Let's do a close-up of his eyes. So I left a little bit of a white dot in there. I didn't paint the dot on. I just tried to color it around. Because in the picture, he has a dot in this eye. And in here, I just left some little flecks of white because there wasn't an actual spot. So I think that looks good enough that there's still white in the eye, that they look alive. The ear doesn't look right. I think I got the angle of the hairline a little bit off from the picture. And I think in the picture, his eyes are smaller, and I made his eyes more open. They're more squinty in the picture. And it could just be that I need to add another light lash line here. Does that fix it? I don't even know if it made a difference to you guys. I don't want to keep going though. I had so much fun doing this. I was watching Grey's Anatomy for like the billionth time. And I'm just relaxing and having some water and painting. It's just a really nice way to spend the evening. And I'm super happy with how he turned out. I think he's my best one so far. And I really, really enjoy using my pastel pencils. But I wouldn't recommend mixing them. I think it just makes it too crumbly. Because I kind of had a hard time. Like, my white is all crumbled now. Because I took some of the white out to mix with the burnt sienna. And then it doesn't go together like it should. Because normally this is how it looks. It's like blush. Again, if you drop it, it will go all powdery. But yeah, and these are, they just kind of switch together. But I had 2 of them that were so stuck, it took me ages to get them apart. So I have ordered lids. And I think for how expensive these are, they should have come with lids. I'm not a fan that they only give me 1 lid. Like for this whole thing. And they go like a tower. So yeah. So they just kind of screw together like this. But if you don't have it exactly right, and it's really hard, can you see they're not lined up perfectly? Yeah, it's not easy. So I'm going to be really happy when the lids come in, but they're not going to come in until next week because these weren't already in Canada. And I hate to order things from the States the way things are going right now, but I did. But let me just show you how they kind of fit together. See, I don't have them together right. It's not making a straight line. But they did come with 2 of these, like with those tools that are super expensive. I'll show you at the bottom. See, there's one of them. Anyway, so I'm super happy with how he looks. Oh, I just spilled powder. This is so messy. This, like, I left a lot of stuff here when I was mixing, and I didn't mean to, but it's very easy to accidentally spill it. And it makes a huge, huge mess. So the wet wipes that I bought, the scent-free wet wipes, they really came in handy. But yeah, I'm happy with it. I will get used to it once those lids come. And if I keep enjoying using them, I think I will order the portrait set to go with it, because then I don't have to mix colors. I don't think it's worth it mixing colors, because then you're wrecking the ones that you have that will last for a really long time if you're not scooping stuff out, you know? Anyway, that is it. I hope you liked it. I think this is head number 9 already. I only have one more to go till 10. I'm pretty sure this is head number 9. I'll put the right number here, though, in editing. My memory is awful. Anyway, so that's Meredith and Derek done, and I want to do Christina, and I want to do Izzy and George, and I want to do Bailey and the Chief. But I can't do that many, I don't think. Well, I can't do that many in pastel, chalk pastel. Some of them, if I keep going, will have to be an oil pastel, because I'm doing 5 chalk pastel and our chalk pencil mixed, and then on to oil pastel. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you liked that. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those good things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye, guys.